इस वीडियो में इंग्लिश सुनने के बाद आपकी इंग्लिश ख़राब हो जाए तो मेरी गारंटी नहीं है।
Hello friends, today I am going to unboxing my new Jobronics keyboard. So let's start the unboxing. This product I have purchased from Flipkart. So let's see this is genuine or not. So I am new in unboxing, that's why I am cutting like this. So you can see my unboxing style is very rough. Let's see, I am unboxing this my keyboard. As you can see, now it's time to cut ribbon. Package is unboxed and now we see our keyboard. Let's see, you can listen this voice. I think you hear this. Okay, so now it's time to unbox my keyboard. Then as you can see, this is Zebronics branded keyboard ZBK20, and it is USB wired keyboard and with rupee and UV coated keys. So let's unbox it.
As you can see, this is keyboard is looking very premium and now feel it practically. So wow, I am very impressed with this first impression. Wow, this is generally look like mechanical keyboard maybe, but it is not mechanical keyboard. It is a basic keyboard. So as you see, this is voice, very peaceful voice. Satisfaction voice is coming when you press any key. As you can see here, rupee key is given and branded of Zebronics.
And USB cable.
That's it.
And see back of this keyboard, it is given a stand for better typing experience. So that is for unboxing. This time to check in PC. Then I will give detailed review of this keyboard. So I hope you like this video, and you want detailed review of video, please comment in my video.
So that's it for today, guys. We will meet in next video. Bye.
Thank you so much.